Is your wardrobe feeling a bit lackluster? Today, we're stepping into the world of wooden wardrobe and cupboard ideas that will revolutionize your storage game. From classic armoires to modern sliding door wardrobes, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and space. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a storage solution that's as chic as it is functional. Whether you're into rustic charm or sleek minimalism, we've got the inspiration you need to organize your space in style. Stick around for a journey through the art of wardrobe and cupboard design. Don't just store your clothes, make a statement. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a storage adventure together. Your dream wardrobe is just a click away.
Elevate your storage solutions with these wooden cupboards and wardrobe ideas. Classic armoire. Choose a timeless armoire with the intricate detailing and ample storage for a touch of elegance. Built-in wardrobe. Maximize space with a built-in wooden wardrobe that seamlessly blends with the room's architecture. Sliding door wardrobe. Option for a modern and space-efficient sliding door wardrobe, perfect for contemporary interiors. Rustic wooden cupboard. Embrace a cozy and natural feel with the rustic wooden cupboard featuring distressed finishes and antique hardware. Open shelving wardrobe. Display your wardrobe items with open shelving, adding a touch of accessibility and showcasing your style. Walk-in closet with wooden shelving. Create a luxurious walk-in closet with wooden shelves for a custom